Hello people! As I was mentioning earlier, every detail is wrong. Except for the detail of Mr. Jock. As you can see the tablet, the church was built in 1624. Its tower is the tallest in the Cagayan Valley. So sorry. I hope I learned my lesson and corrected my mistakes. Hello, Buying. Hello, Sir Jock. Hello, Kat. Yun na, okay na. Bye-bye. Ha? I love you, Kat.
Hello, Willie.
Historical tayo dito. Walang ano. Lahat academic. Okay, bye-bye. Yun nga pala yung luma niyang kampana sa gilid. Ito yung bagong poste ng Meralco.